carrots are as crunchy as they can be. The spinach gives us power to run and play, to keep the tired feelings far away. Crunch munch, it's a veggie victory. Eating all the colors is the key for me. Red like a pepper, orange like a bean. Eating like a king and a veggie queen. Even though some people say it's a fruit, put them on your plate and take a big bite. They'll help you grow with all your might. Crunch munch, it's a veggie victory. Eating all the colors is the key for me. Red like a pepper, orange like a bean. Eating like a king and a veggie queen.